Hi, it's Ginger. After giving my dolls that I found at thrift stores and garage sales a makeover, I'm feeling a little bit jealous. Now I want a new look. In this video, I'm going to curl my hair. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Ginger's Doll World, and turn on notifications. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Or if you don't, you can give it a thumbs down. And please leave a comment down below, like my awesome subscriber friends. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to change into my balloon bathing suit so I don't get my dress wet. Off to the shower! I want this Barbie doll to represent me for my channel. My hair is shorter. I just got it cut actually. I'm blonde and I do like wearing it curly. I also wear eyeglasses because I'm blind as a bat, so I need to find a pair. I have green eyes, but if I paint the eyes green on the Barbie doll, whenever I do green screen shots, it'll look bad. So I'm going to leave the eyes blue.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right. Coming out to see me try. As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way. Once again I'm on the run, far away from all the fun. It seems I'm bound to be away from you. I never meant to drive you off this way, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way.
Okay, I hope my curls turn out like I like them. I love how they turned out on Ariel, Apple White, and Princess Tiana. If you haven't watched those videos, the links are down below and at the end of this video. I'm crossing my fingers it turns out okay. Oh wait, I can cross my fingers. I'm gonna leave the Pipecleaners in my hair for 2 days. Then I'll remove them. Okay, time to remove them. Now I'm going to find something to wear and finish getting ready for the big reveal. Okay. The curls are really tight. I was hoping for a looser curl, but that's okay. The length is right. I think I like it. What do you think? Do you like my new look? Tell me down below. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Love you guys. Bye.